Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel direct debits on Monzo account. For that you need to simply open your Monzo application and then select the option of I already have an account, then provide your email address, your mobile number and your password, and you need to simply log in into your account. Now once you are on the home page of your Monzo application, you need to tap on the payments tab on the menu bar that would be on the home page. Then once you are in the payments tab, simply tap on the schedule option, tap on the payment that you want to cancel and tap on the cancel direct debit. You will need to cancel a direct debit at least once full day before it is due to leave your account, otherwise it might still go through. Don't forget to let the company know that you have cancelled it. If the company has tried to take the payment before and failed, there is a chance that you could still take as a recollection payment if they think you owe them the money. So you just have to follow these steps in order to cancel the direct debit. Plus you need to follow these two instructions that are given over here as well. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.